Like, oh my god, it's barely fucking Thursday and it's raining. Roll back to the clip. Okay, so I should be getting it today because it's out for delivery. Yes, sir. Alrighty, so we got it. I ordered a GoPro to make everything so much easier. So let me go ahead and set this guy up and let's see how it looks like. So today's video, man, at 9:30 p.m. Why not wash my car? Right on my hood, bird poo poo. My name is AJ, and this is my 2019 Honda Accord LX, not Sport. Got here, there's literally nobody here. I'm gonna be making this YouTube, you know, might as well help you guys out. Okay, so let me go ahead. First of all, see this right here? Do not ever use this on your car. Horrible idea, horrible. Oh yeah, as I mentioned, that bird poop with the pre-soak. So with the pre-soak, just go ahead, go all around the car with it. And right now what it's gonna do is gonna get all that little dirt that's been sticking on the vehicle.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can tell me I'm just a touch, baby. I look around, see the city's cold and empty.
That. So I usually have all my stuff in my car. It makes it so much more convenient. Instead of going to the house, picking up my stuff, I have it all right here in this bag. Micro cloth, no scratches on the car as well. Get one for your tires, just for your tires. Now, do rinse. Make sure you don't get that thing stuck up in there. And the foam brush on the vehicle, we're gonna use it. Just leave it on top of here. The fun part comes in. Start scrubbing the heck out of your car. Okay, just hear me out. The reason why I put the foam brush on my vehicle, no, not to scrub it. That's a good way to scratch your paint. So don't ever do that. Please don't. Okay. So back to my point. So I put the foam brush on top of my car, so that way I can use the soap coming out of the foam brush to scrub my car. So that way I don't need to bring my own soap with me. I could just use the foam brush as my soap. Does that make sense for you guys? Finished completely drying their car. You guys forget to wash this right here and this right here, and just go with it. Boom. Look how much dirt you're gonna get out of that. As well as on top. Oh, this is nice. I have not tried this whatsoever. Bro, this GoPro is amazing. Back on the tripod. Make sure you drop a like, sub, leave a comment on what you want to see next. You guys, is it really best fries ever? Wendy's even good? Or I'm just wasting my time here, really?